Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the graphics quality in the Outlast Trials. Let's begin by opening the settings. From there, navigate to the graphics tab. Scroll down to the quality section. Here you can set a quality preset from low to medium to high to epic. Of course, low will lower the quality of the graphics but increase your performance, and vice versa will happen when you select epic. Of course, you can always individually change the quality settings for geometry. As you can see, now it will be set as custom. Shadows, textures, effects, reflections, volumetrics, as in fog for example, anti-aliasing. You can turn it off, turn it to FXAA, TAA or TAA High. FXAA is more suitable for performance from what I understand, and TAA is for quality. Auto-detect quality settings, you can simply run a performance check and check if your computer and basically maximize your graphics while also maximizing performance. As you can see, if you hit it, it will lag a bit, but as you can see, the game chose those settings for me. Although I will still lower the textures to, I think, medium, and I will do the same for reflections. After all that, simply press apply to save your settings, and you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.